Now, here's the thing. If you own a hospital, if you're managing one, you'll make money if you train the doctors. Yan yung sinabi ko kanina. Now, believe me, you'll make money if you train the doctors. You'll make money more if you train the nurses with the doctors. You train the doctors, it will die with a natural death. If you train the doctors and you train the nurses, okay, tatagal ho. Okay? Tatagal at susuporta sila sa doktor. So, yung 1.2 billion na government account na tinuruan ko paano ho gawin ang claims, kumita ng 1.2 dahil ho yun sa nurses. Tinuruan namin yung doktor. Doctors come and go. But the nurses, a lot of them will stay. Not all, because some of them will really leave. But you will always have a certain number of nurses that who will stay. So that is why I tell many of my clients, we need to train the nurses. Even if they're leaving you for greener pastures. What is critical, that each station should know their role sa claims. Kasi po, ang documentation na hahanapin ni PhilHealth, okay, galing sa doktor, and the data at ang information ng galing sa doc should match, okay, should be equal sa nurses' notes, sa vital signs, documentation ng nurses supports the diagnosis ni doc, and the nurses can easily monitor the completeness.